Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI score weekly on settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on AI score and you will enter. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of AI score and you click here. As you see, if you find update, you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.